Great things happen when your love for music meets your love of woodworking. These brand new build-it-yourself electric guitar kits from Grizzly are perfect for any musician or creator. One thing that sets these kits apart from others is the quality and type of wood in its construction. Each kit has a solid mahogany body with your choice of either a quilted maple or Fiddleback maple veneer. These guitars come with premium materials that are meant to feel good in your hands and sound nice on the ears. They feature a maple neck and fingerboard, PVC pearl dark red pickguard, and chrome hardware. The powerful bridge humbucker and 2 single coil pickups offer robust tones for any style of playing. The 5-way pickup selector gives you all the versatility you need, and the special edition of a tremolo bar gives you all that extra creative expression. This kit comes with everything you see here, and Grizzly's step-by-step manual makes sure you build with confidence by clearly walking you through the whole assembly process. More than just a musical instrument, an electric guitar becomes a powerful expression of individual style. These unique electrical guitar kits from Grizzly are perfect for any musician or woodworker craving a fulfilling project. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today. And make sure you share your builds with us on social media.